Hi, this is Haley from wickedwix.com bringing you a look at the severe weather. This is the severe weather outlook valid for the rest of the night. And you've got a slight risk all along this area here. And then in more detail, here's the damaging wind probabilities, 15% in this big old area, 5% in other areas. Damaging hail, 15%, 5% in other areas. And this is what happens when you don't have a tornado risk, or a very low tornado risk. And I believe this is the first day in quite some time that we've had a low tornado risk. So that's lovely to see. However, that's going to be possibly replaced with tomorrow's outlook. This is the categorical risk. We've got a slight risk in Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota tomorrow. And then another slight risk over here. Now, if you look at this is the any severe weather probability. Up in Montana, we've got as high as a 30% chance with the outlook as of now. It could go up, it could, lower. And the black hatched area is the SIG area. This is the probability of some sort of significant severe weather event. And if you go in and you actually look at the text of tomorrow's outlook, let's see, let's highlight the words tornado. Forecast soundings also show 0 to 3 kilometer storm relative helicities of 250 to 450, whatever M2/M2 S2 stands for, suggesting tornadoes may occur with a more organized rotating storms with an isolated possibility of a strong tornado. And this is for the Montana, western/southern North Dakota, northwestern North Dakota. I can't really read those acronyms. So definitely tomorrow, take a look, because they only give like the breakdowns of the tornado, hail, and wind probabilities for the day one outlook. So definitely want to be keeping an eye in Montana to see what the tornado risk is going to be like tomorrow. This is the storm reports from, let's see, noon UTC. So that would be 7 a.m. CDT this morning. So no tornadoes, just hail and damaging wind today, which, those things are still bad, but they're not a tornado. And here's a look as the warnings as of the time that I refreshed the page. Just severe thunderstorm warnings, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, Louisiana, and Texas. I don't think we've had any tornado warnings today at all, which is a great thing. Here is a look at the National Hurricane Center prediction. This is the first time I've seen the red, I believe. We've got a 90% chance of tropical cyclone formation out in the Pacific. What was it? It says in the next 48 hours, it'll likely become a tropical depression. So I had to hoof on over to Wikipedia to go look that up. And tropical depression is winds of 38 miles per hour. Let's see. At less than 38 miles per hour. Okay. And then up here, 39 miles per hour. I apparently am not very good at reading. Anyway, you go to Wikipedia and you read it yourself, because I can't read it live. But there's different definitions for what's a tropical depression, when does it become a tropical storm, and then when does it become a full-blown hurricane. So, that's the Pacific outlook for the next 48 hours. Here is the Atlantic. And there is a, I believe, 40% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 48 hours. If you'd like further details on severe weather, go to wickedwix.com, wicked, W-I-C-K-E-D, W-X, whiskey x-ray.com, or Google Storm Prediction Center, or Google National Hurricane Center. Thanks.